project, injection molding production model has been designed using Microsoft project software. Injection molding industry prepares hatches and base rings of various sizes and weights. Model considers start and end production dates, resources, and costs of products. Resources of model are machines, workers, engineer, and production manager. Now this is the Gantt chart of the model. It shows that the duration of the production model is 170 days. Now we discuss the working of the model. First of all, industry got order, then engineer designed the engineering drawing, and then worker 1 and worker 2 worked on the production of mold cavity. Mold cavity is the cavity which is used to give the shape to the product. Then machine 1, worker 1 and polypropylene polymer and black pigment was used to make the hatch of 24 inch. Black pigment is used to give the color to the hatch. This hatch was prepared in 23 days. It was prepared with and without vents. Then 24-inch base ring was prepared in 20 days. Worker 1 worked on this base ring. Blue pigment was used to give blue color to the base ring. Polypropylene polymer was used. And then machine 1 was used to make the base ring. After making the base ring of 24 inch, 12-inch hatch was prepared in 18 days. This shows the working of the model, how the products were prepared and in how much duration they were prepared. For the preparation of 12-inch hatch, worker 3 worked on this hatch and polypropylene polymer was used. Machine 2 used and blue pigment was used to make the hatch of 12 inch. It was also made with and without vents. The weight of the hatch without vents is 1000 to 1200 gram and the weight of the hatch with vents is 1000 to 1150 gram. Then 12-inch base ring was prepared. Worker 5 worked on it. Blue pigment was used and high density polyethylene polymer was used. And this base ring was prepared using the machine 2. After making 12-inch base ring, 18-inch hatch was prepared in 35 days. Worker 4 worked on it. Polypropylene polymer was used and black pigment was used to give color. Machine 3 was used to make the hatch of 18 inch. This hatch was also prepared with and without vents. When without vents, its weight was 2300 to 2400 gram. With vents, its weight was 2200 to 2250 gram. Then after making 18-inch hatch, 8-inch hatch was prepared. Then 8-inch base ring was prepared. After this, 18-inch base ring was prepared in 7 days. This shows that how different products were prepared in the production model. After preparing different products of various sizes and weights, assembly of the product was done. In assembly, the base hatch is fitted on the base ring. After this, venting was done. After venting, packaging was done. Packaging, worker 9, worker 10 worked on the packaging task. Then the forklift was used for in packaging. After this, the delivery of the products was done. Worker 11 and worker 12 worked on it. Then the model was completed after order was completed after 170 days. This is the Gantt chart, which shows how the step-by-step working of the model is done. We can see how this model works by this. Against each task, its diagram Gantt chart has shown. You can see like this. How step by step the process is being done. Now we can see the network diagram of the model. It shows how the model has been designed. Start, first of all, work was started. Then the industry got orders. Then engineering drawing was prepared by engineer 1. Then worker 1 and worker 2 worked on the production of the mold cavity. After this, 24-inch hatch was prepared. It was prepared without vents and with vents. Then, after the production of the mold cavity, product of 24-inch base ring was prepared. Then 12-inch hatch and 18-inch hatch was prepared with and without vents. After this, 12-inch base ring, 8-inch base ring was prepared. This network diagram shows how the procedure has been being done. After the production of all the products, then the assembling was done. After assembling, venting and then packaging was done. After this, products were delivered and the order was completed. This was the network diagram of the model. After this, we can see the resource sheet. It shows that there were machines, workers, engineer, production manager, material polymers, black and blue pigments, and forklifts were in the resources. And this shows the 100% here shows that the availability of the resources. Then their standard rate, it was the rate per hour of the machines, workers, engineer and production manager. This is the cost of the polymers and the black and blue pigments. This is the overhead time of the machines, workers, engineer and the production manager. Now this is the accrue prorated. Prorated means the machines, workers, all the tasks are being done. Means that all the the model is in working conditions. Here we have written the start here. This shows that the model is we have added the polymers now, and this base shows that the standard time of the machines, workers, engineer and production manager, that they are working in standard times. Now we consider the resource. We can see this resource usage. It shows the working time of all the tasks. Here we can see the resource graphs of the machines, workers, engineers, production. We can see the graphs of every task here. This is the graph of for the machine 1. This shows that how much work has been done by machine 1 on the month of Feb. This is the task usage. This is the start and finish date of the production model. This shows that the this production was started in month January, and this production model will be completed in August 2022. This is this task sheet. Production column shows that the predecessors of the task. Let's see the task of the 24-inch hatch XCH 2401. We see that this is the predecessor of the activity 5. Means 5 is the predecessor of 24-inch hatch task. 5 step. This is the cost for all the tasks. Total cost of the project is $40,000, $40,900. This is the early finish time. Early finish time, it represents the earliest date an activity can possibly finish, if all predecessors and successors also finish on their respective finish dates. When we first start a task, its early start and early finish dates are same as scheduled time, start and finish dates. This is the work breakdown structure. It shows how the project has been organized and completed. This is the team planner of the model. It shows that machine 1 has been used for making the hatch of 24-inch and the base ring of 24-inch. And machine 2 was used for making 12-inch hatch and 12-inch base ring. Machine 3 was used to prepare the 18-inch hatch and 18-inch base ring. Then machine 4 has been used for making the 8-inch hatch and 8-inch base ring and 8-inch base ring. For 18-inch base. Worker 1 has worked on the 24-inch hatch and 24-inch base ring. It has also worked on the production of mold cavity. Worker 2 has worked on the production of mold. Worker 3 has worked on 12-inch hatch. Worker 4 has worked on 18-inch hatch. Worker 5 has worked on 18-inch hatch, 8-inch hatch, 8-inch base ring and 12-inch base ring. Engineer 1 has designed the engineering drawing. And then similarly worker 7 and worker 8 worked on assembly. Worker 9 and worker 10 has worked in packaging. And then worker 11 and 12 has delivered the products. And then forklift was used in packaging. This was the time planner of the model.